So here I am using the Fenty Beauty Primer, and I am just putting that all over my face. Here I'm using the Baby Skin, the pore eraser from Maybelline. So I'm just going to put that all over my face and my T-zone area because that's where I tend to get the most oily. Now I go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm just going to set the eyelids in place before placing my eyeshadow. I use the Morphe Beauty Blender to blend everything out. Now I go in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I really like that powder for setting things or for baking. It's really good. So I am using the Jamescharlespalette, and I go in with Tune as my transition shade. Now I am going to go in the color 518, and it's this pretty orange, and just put that on top and blend it out. So I take the color Rusted, it's next to the orange, and I just put that on my outer corner and blend that in. I go back into the orange 518 and blend those two colors in together. So for this eye look, I decided to cut the crease, and I'm just going to go back in with my concealer and pack some on in the front of my eyelids. So I'm going to be using the color B in the palette, and I'm just going to pack that on top of the concealer. And it's this pretty yellow to make my eyeshadow pop even more. Here I'm just going back into the palette, and I'm using that red color I had used and packing it back onto the outer corners. So now I'm going in with my Makeup Forever HD foundation. It's one of my top favorite foundations, and I'm just using this Morphe 439 brush and putting that all over my face. So here I am going back in with the concealer, and I'm just putting that under my eyes to brighten up my face even more. And I just use the Morphe Beauty Blender again and blend that all over. I go back in with the Maybelline Loose Powder and set the concealer in place, and I also take a kabuki brush and spread that powder all over my face. I go in with the Sonia Cashew brush, and I am using the Chocolate Soleil as of my bronzer. I'm using the Morphe setting spray and setting everything into place, and then I go ahead and add my highlighter after this step. Here I'm showing you guys that I finished doing my eyelashes and putting falsies on. So now I'm going in with the Tarte blush palette. I will put in the description what shade of blush I used. I went back into the Jamescharlespalette and I just used that pretty orange and put it on my waterline. Now I go in with this pretty nude Morphe lip gloss and I just put that all over my lips. So that is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and comment down below video suggestions letting me know what else you want to see, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.